Grade 9, the fundamental unit of life, part 2, questions and answers. Question number 1. Who coined the term cell and how? Answer. Cells were discovered by Robert Hooke. He observed cells in a cork slice with the help of a primitive microscope. The cork slice resembled the structure of a honeycomb consisting of many small compartments. These small boxes are called cells. Question number 2. Define cell. Answer. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. Question number 3. Write the contribution of A. Robert Hooke, B. Leeuwenhoek, C. Robert Brown. Answer. Robert Hooke discovered the cells for the first time in cork slice with the help of a primitive microscope. B. Leeuwenhoek discovered free living cells in pond water using an improved microscope. C. Robert Brown discovered the nucleus in the cell. Question number 4. A cell is a building block of an organism. Explain why. Answer. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. It performs various functions essential for survival of the organisms. This is the reason why cells are referred to as the basic structural and functional units of life. Who coined the term protoplasm for the fluid substance of the cell? Answer. Purkinje in 1839 coined the term protoplasm for the fluid substance of the cell. Question number 6. What is cell theory? Who proposed it? Answer. The cell theory states that all the plants and animals are composed of cells and they are the basic unit of life. The cell theory was presented by two biologists, Schleiden and Schwann. Question number 7. Who suggests that all cells arise from pre-existing cells? Answer. Virchow suggests that all cells arise from pre-existing cells. Question number 8. What led to the discovery of the microscopic world? Answer. The invention of magnifying lenses led to the discovery of the microscopic world. Question number 9. Why were the scientists not able to observe most of the cell organelle before 1940? Answer. Before 1940, scientists could view the cell only under a light microscope. The invention of electron microscopy in 1940 enabled the scientists to observe the cell in greater detail. Question number 10. Define unicellular organisms and give examples. Answer. Unicellular organisms are those organisms which are made up of a single cell only. Example: Chlamydomonas, Paramecium and bacteria. Question number 11. Define multicellular organisms and give examples. Answer. Multicellular organisms are those organisms which are made up of many cells. These cells group together and assume different functions in body to form various body parts. Example: fungi, plants and animals. Question number 12. Every multicellular organism has arisen from a single cell. Explain. Answer. Cells divide to produce cells similar to themselves. Thus, all cells are derived from pre-existing cells, and every multicellular organism has arisen from a single cell. Example: development of humans start from a single cell called zygote, formed by the fusion of an ovum and sperm. Question number 13. Differentiate between unicellular and multicellular organisms. In a unicellular organism, a single cell constitutes the whole organism. In multicellular organism, multiple cells are grouped together in a single body and assume different functions in it to form various body parts in multicellular organisms. In unicellular organisms, all functions are performed by a single cell, but in multicellular organisms, different cells perform different specific functions. Lifespan of unicellular organism is short. In multicellular organisms, lifespan is long. Question number 14. What are the various functions performed by a cell? Answer. Cell performs various functions in our body, such as 1. Synthesis of substances like proteins and lipids. 2. Oxidation to generate oxidation to generate energy. 3. Removal of dead materials. 4. Secretion of enzymes. Question number 15. What is the outermost layer found in the animal cell? Answer. Plasma membrane is the outermost layer found in the animal cell. Question number 16. What is diffusion? Answer. The movement of a substance from a region of high concentration to a region of its lower concentration is called diffusion. Question number 17. What is osmosis? Answer. The movement of water molecules through a semi-permeable membrane along the concentration gradient is called osmosis. Question number 18. Differentiate between diffusion and osmosis. Diffusion occurs in any medium. Osmosis occurs in liquid medium only. Diffusing molecules may be solid, liquid or gaseous solutes in diffusion. In osmosis involves movement of liquid molecules only. Semi-permeable membrane is not required in diffusion, but in osmosis semi-permeable membrane is required. Question number 19. When does a cell gain water by osmosis? Answer. If the medium surrounding the cell has a higher water concentration than the cell will gain water by osmosis. Question number 20. What is plasma membrane? Explain. Answer. Plasma membrane is the outermost covering of the cell. It is composed of proteins and lipids. It permits the entry and exit of selective material in and out of the cell. It helps to maintain the shape of the cell. It provides protection against microbes and foreign substance. It is a semi-permeable membrane. Question number 21. What is hypotonic solution? Answer. The medium or solution surrounded the cell has higher concentration of water than cell cytoplasm is known as hypotonic solution. Question number 22. What is isotonic solution? Answer. The medium surrounding the cell has exactly the same water concentration as the cell cytoplasm is called isotonic solution. Question number 23. What is hypertonic solution? Answer. The medium surrounding the cell has a lower concentration of water than the cell cytoplasm is called hypertonic solution. Question number 24. Name the process by unicellular freshwater organisms and most plant cells tend to gain water. Answer. Unicellular freshwater organisms and most plant cells tend to gain water through osmosis. Question number 23. What is endocytosis? Answer. The process in which flexible plasma membrane engulfs in food and other materials from its external environment is known as endocytosis. Example, amoeba acquire food through this process. Question number 24. What is plasmolysis? Answer. It is the phenomenon in which a living plant cell loses water through osmosis, which results in either shrinkage or contraction of the content of the cell away from the cell wall. Question number 25. What is a cell wall? What is its function? Answer. Cell wall is a rigid, non-living, freely permeable outer covering. It lies outside the plasma membrane. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Question number 26. What is the outermost layer found in plant cell? Answer. Cell wall is the outermost layer found in the plant cell. Question number 27. What is the function of cellulose in plant cell? Answer. The plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. It is a complex substance which provides structural strength to plants. Question number 28. What would happen if cell wall is not present in plant cell? Answer. 1. Shape of the cell will not remain definite because cell wall provides structural strength to plant cell. 2. Cell will not able to withstand pressure and burst if placed in very dilute media. Question number 29. Differentiate between plasma membrane and cell wall. 1. Plasma membrane provides support and shape to the cell. Cell wall gives strength and rigidity to the plant cell. Plasma membrane is semi-permeable in nature. Cell wall is completely permeable in nature. 3. Plasma membrane is elastic, living and thin. Cell wall is rigid and non-living. 4. Plasma membrane consists of proteins and lipids. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. 5. Plasma membrane is found in both plants and animal cells. Cell wall is found only in plants. Question number 30. Explain about the structure of nucleus. Answer. Structure of nucleus is composed of 1. Nuclear membrane. The nucleus is covered by a double-layered membrane called nuclear membrane. It allows the transfer of material from inside the nucleus to cytoplasm. 2. Nucleoplasm. It is a kind of protoplasm found in the nucleus containing genetic material, DNA, chromosomes and nucleolus. 3. Chromosomes. Chromosomes are rod-shaped structures found in the nucleus of a cell. It contains information for inheritance of features from parents to next generation in the form of DNA molecules. Chromosomes are composed of DNA and protein. 4. Chromatin. Chromatin is an entangled network of long thread-like structures. It condenses to form chromosomes during cell division. Question number 31. What is nucleoid? Answer. In some organisms like bacteria, nuclear region of the cell may be poorly defined due to the absence of nuclear membrane. Such an undefined nuclear region containing only nucleic acid is called a nucleoid. It is found in prokaryotic cells. Question number 32. What is DNA? What is its function. Answer: DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid present in the nucleus of a cell. DNA is responsible for the storage and transmission of hereditary information. Question number 33. Define 1. Prokaryotes, 2. Eukaryotes. Answer: organisms whose cells lack a nuclear membrane are called prokaryotes. Prokaryotes lack cytoplasmic organelles. 2. The organisms with cells having a well-defined nucleus enclosed in nuclear membrane are called eukaryotes. Eukaryotic cells are further divided into plants and animals. Question number 34. What are genes? Where are they located? Answer: functional segments of DNA are called genes. They are located on the chromosomes. Question number 35. What is cytoplasm? Answer: the large region of each cell enclosed by cell membrane is called cytoplasm. It is the fluid content present inside the plasma membrane. It also contains many specialized cell organelles. Question number 36. What are cell organelles? Answer: cell organelles are the important living parts of the cell present in the cytoplasm. Each is bounded by plasma membrane and performs a basic function. Question number 37. What is endoplasmic reticulum? Answer: endoplasmic reticulum is a large network of membrane bound tubes and sheets. The endoplasmic reticulum membrane is similar in structure to the plasma membrane. There are two kinds of endoplasmic reticulum: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and a rough endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 38. Differentiate between rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. 1. In rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are attached to the surface. 2. It helps in protein synthesis. In smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are not attached to the surface. It helps in the manufacturing of fat molecules or lipids. Question number 39. What are the functions of endoplasmic reticulum? Answer: functions of endoplasmic reticulum are as follows. 1. It forms a network system providing channels for the transportation of materials, especially proteins. 2. It functions as cytoplasmic framework. It provides a surface for some of the biochemical activities of the cell. 3. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays a crucial role in detoxification of poisons and drugs in liver cells of vertebrates. 4. It gives mechanical support to the cells. 5. Some other proteins and lipids synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum function as enzymes and hormones. Question number 40. What is membrane biogenesis? Answer: fats and lipid molecules manufactured by smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in building the cell membrane. This process is called membrane biogenesis. Question number 41. Which organelle is responsible for the storage, modification and packaging of products in vesicles? Answer: Golgi apparatus is responsible for the storage, modification and packaging of products in vesicles. Question number 42. Write a note on Golgi apparatus and the functions it performs. Answer: it consists of a system of membrane-bound vesicles arranged approximately parallel to each other in stacks called cisterns and large spherical vacuoles. Functions: 1. Golgi apparatus stores, modifies and packs products in vesicles. 2. It is involved in the synthesis of cell wall and plasma membrane. 3. It is involved in the formation of lysosomes. 4. It forms complex sugar from simple sugars in some cases. Question number 43. Who described Golgi apparatus for the first time? Answer: Camillo Golgi described Golgi apparatus for the first time. Question number 44. From which cell organelle do lysosomes arise? Answer: Lysosomes arise from Golgi apparatus. Question number 45. Name the suicidal bag of the cell. Answer: Lysosomes are known as the suicidal bag of the cell. Question number 46. What are lysosomes? What is its function? Answer: Lysosomes are membrane-bound sacs that are filled with digestive enzymes. These enzymes are made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. Functions: 1. Lysosomes help to keep the cell clean by digesting any foreign material that enters the cell as well as worn out cellular organisms. 2. Lysosomes remove foreign material by breaking it into small pieces through its powerful digestive enzymes. These enzymes can break down all organic material. Question number 47. Why are lysosomes known as suicidal bags? Answer: Lysosomes are known as suicidal bags because when cell gets damaged during the disturbance in cellular metabolism, lysosomes may burst and the digestive enzymes thus released digest their own cell. Question number 48. Name the energy currency of cell. Answer: adenosine triphosphate, that is ATP, is known as the energy currency of the cell. Question number 49. Where does the ATP synthesis occurs in mitochondria? Answer: ATP synthesis occur in folds of inner membrane of mitochondria. Question number 50. How many membranes are present in mitochondria? Give the characteristic features of these membranes. Answer: mitochondria have two membranes. The outer membrane is very porous while the inner membrane is deeply folded. Porous membrane helps in getting oxygen and food, while the folds create a large surface area for ATP generating chemical reactions. Question number 51. Mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. Give reason. Answer: the energy required for various chemical activities is released by mitochondria in the form of ATP molecules. Hence, mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Question number 52. Inner membrane of mitochondria is deeply folded. Give reason. Answer: inner membrane of mitochondria is deeply folded as these folds create large surface area for ATP generating chemical reactions. Question number 53. Name the type of plastid that helps in the process of photosynthesis. Answer: chloroplast helps in the process of photosynthesis. Question number 54. Where stroma is present in a cell? Answer: stroma is present in the chloroplast of the cell. Question number 55. Which organelles are present only in plant cells and possess their own DNA and ribosomes? Answer: plastids are found in plant cells only, and plastids have their own DNA and ribosomes. Question number 56. What are plastids? What are the different types of plastids? Answer: plastids are found in plant cells. They are of two types: chromoplasts, colored plastids, and leucoplasts, white or colorless plastids. Chloroplast is green in color and is found in green parts of the plants. Plastids too have their own DNA and ribosome. Question number 57. Give two similarities and one difference between mitochondria and plastids. Answer: The similarities between mitochondria and plastids are as follows. 1. External structures of mitochondria and plastids are similar. 2. Both have their own DNA and ribosomes. One major difference between mitochondria and plastids is that mitochondria is present in both plants and animal cells, whereas plastids are present only in plant cells. Question number 58. What are vacuoles? What are its functions? Answer. Vacuoles are storage sacs for solid or liquid contents. Vacuoles are very large in plant cells and much smaller and very few in animal cells. Functions. 1. Vacuoles provide turgidity and rigidity to the cell. 2. Many substances like amino acids, sugars, organic acids and proteins are stored in vacuoles. 3. In amoeba, consumed food items are stored in food vacuoles. 4. In some unicellular organisms, specialized vacuoles also play an important role in expelling excess water and some waste from the cell. Question number 59. Differentiate between plant and animal cells. 1. Plant cells have cell wall. Animal cells don't have cell wall. Plant cell contain chloroplast. Animal cells don't have chloroplast. Plastids are present in plant cell. Plastids are absent in all animal cells except euglena. Permanent and large vacuoles are present in plant cell. Vacuoles are many, small and temporary in animal cell. Plant cells do not have centrosome. Animal cells have centrosome. Plant cells have many simple units of Golgi apparatus called dictyosomes are present. Prominent Golgi apparatus are present in animal cell. Question number 60. Draw and label plant and animal cells.